In the above video we have taken example 10. Okay, find an irrational number between 3 and 4. Okay, so we have used root a into b formula, right? That was method 1. Now we are going to do method 2. Okay, inserting rational number between 3 and 4. So we have two methods in that also. Here also we have two methods, children. Okay, now method 1 already in the above video we have taken. Now method 2. First I wrote given 3 and 4. Now here for 3, how can we write 3? 3 is equals to 4 is equals to, okay. Now see here, for 3 we can write root 9. How can we write root 9 now? Now look at here, root 9, we can write root 9 as 3 3s are 9, right? So 3 into 3 is nothing but 3 square. Square root gets cancelled. So what is the answer? 3. So in place of 3 we can write root 9. So in place of 3 we can write root 9. Same thing for 4. How can we write 4? Root 16. That is nothing but 4 4s are 16. That is 4. As 4 is 2 times, so we have to write square. Square root get cancelled. What is the answer? 4. So in place of 4 we can write 16. Yes or no? So this is your rough column. Okay, so in place of 4 we can write 16. In place of 3 we can write root 9. So root 3 is nothing but root 9. 4 is nothing but root 16. What they are saying, we have to insert a number. See, root 9, root 16, we have to insert one irrational number between them. One irrational number. So between root 9 and root 16, how many numbers we can substitute? We can substitute root 10, root 11, root 12, root 13, root 14, root 15. Okay, so between root 9 and root 16, how many numbers we can substitute? 6 numbers we can substitute. So select any one number and write in between. Okay, so which number shall we select? I'll select root 10. So root 10. So what is one irrational number between 3 and 4? That is root 10. Okay, na? That is between 3 and 4. Which number we are going to substitute? We are going to substitute root 10. How we got 3? Already you know, root 9 is 3 and root 16 is 4. Okay, na? Did you all understood? This is your fair part. This is your rough column. Okay, na children? Now next, example 11. Okay. Here example 11, it is on the same page. Examine whether the following number are rational or irrational. First we have to solve this question. Okay, whatever the answer we'll get, we have to judge that as a rational or irrational. Okay, so first question is 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Okay, so I have already copied the question. 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Okay, now see here. So 3 plus root 3 I have written. Okay, plus into plus. Okay, as bracket is there, so because of that it is into. Okay, 3 plus into plus will be plus 3. Okay, plus into minus will be minus root 3. Okay, can you see why we have to multiply? If here in place of plus, if we have minus, so it will make a difference. See, minus into plus, like this it will become. So this minus will become plus if here minus if we have. Okay, na? Because of that you have to multiply. Okay, now we have to remove the brackets here. 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. Okay, as one plus sign and one minus sign gets cancelled. Okay, every time. So what we are with left over with? 3 plus 3 plus 3 I wrote here. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. Okay, now 6 is a rational number or irrational number? Obviously it is a rational number. Okay, now next question is what? A second question is what? 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Same question, but here plus is not there in second one. Okay na? So second question, same I should copy 3 plus root 3, but we don't have plus in the question, so 3 minus root 3. So here it is what it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Okay now, so we have to write the formula. What is our formula? A plus b, a minus b, that is what? A square minus b square. What is a? 3 is a. See, these both are same, so this is a and this will be your b. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So I'll write a is equals to 3, b is equals to root 3. Okay, a is equals to 3 and b is equals to root 3. Now what is our answer? A square. A square is nothing but 3 square minus, as minus is in the formula, that's why I wrote, b is what? Root 3. As b square it is, so I'll write square. Square and root gets cancelled. Okay, now 3 square is nothing but, we have to take 3 2 times. Okay, so that is nothing but 3 3s are 9. For 3 square we are going to write 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3. Okay, so 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. So in place of 3 square I wrote 9. Okay, now minus, we have cancel square and root, so what we are left over with? 3. So 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6. Okay, so 6 is which number? It is irrational or rational? It is also an rational number. It is rational number. Okay, next we have 4 sums in this. Okay, see here. Now third question, 10 by 2 root 5. 10 by 2 root 5. Okay now see here, I'll write the question. Third one, 10 by 2 root 5. Okay, 2 root 5. Now see here, I'll write same number, 10 by 2 root 5. Now we can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 by root 5. Okay, 5 by root 5. In place of 5, how can I write? In place of 5, we can write root 5 into root 5. Okay, root 5 into root 5 we can write it. How? See here, root 5 into root 5 is nothing but root 5 square. Okay, as we have 2 times, so I am writing square. Square root gets cancelled. What we are left over with 5. So in place of 5 we can write root 5 into root 5. Okay na? So root 5 into root 5. In place of 5 I am going to write root 5 into root 5. These arrows are nothing but steps. Okay, different steps. Okay, so in place of 5 I wrote root 5 into root 5 divided by root 5. Okay, denominator is as it is. Root 5 gets cancelled. What is our answer now? Our answer is root 5. Is it rational or irrational? It is irrational number. Okay na children, it is irrational number. Next, fourth question. Okay, now last question. Okay, last question. Now a fourth question is, our fourth question is root 2 plus 2 whole square. Okay, root 2 plus 2 whole square. So root 2 plus 2 whole square. Okay now this is A and this is B. A plus B whole square formula we have to take it. Okay, so we have to write the formulas in boxes. You already know this. A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, now what is a is equals to root 2, what is b is equals to 2. Okay, so we are going to substitute in this. Okay, now a square, a is nothing but root 2 square, plus is there, we'll write plus, 2 is there, we'll write 2 as it is. Now again a is there, what is a? Root 2. Okay, so we have to keep dots. Okay, what is b now? B is nothing but 2 plus b square means 2 square we have to write. Okay, this is the step. Okay, now here square and root we can cancel it. Okay, so what we are left over with? 2. These all are in multiplication, so we have to multiply first. See here, 2 and 2 we have to multiply. Okay, as they don't have any roots, so we have to first multiply the numbers. 2 2s is nothing but 4, root 2 as it is. Okay, plus 2 square is nothing but 4. Okay, 2 square is nothing but 4. See here, 2 square, how can I write? 2 square, that is nothing but 2 into 2 I can write it. 2 2s is nothing but 4. Okay, rough column. Okay, so that is nothing but 4. So 2 2s are 4 I have written. Okay, now this and these are numbers, so we can add it. We should not add this 4 because it has root 2 along with it, so we have to keep this as it is. Okay, this one as it is we have to keep it. 2 and 4 we have to add. 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6. Okay, plus 4 root 2 as it is, because it has root 2, that's why we should not add. 6 plus 4 10, 10 root 2 you should not write, that is wrong. Okay, na? 6 plus 4 root 2, 4 has root 2 along with it, so we should not add it. Okay, na? Now is it rational number or irrational number? It is irrational number because root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so it is irrational number. Okay, na? I hope you have understood all the examples. Today we have taken example 9, example 10 and example 11. So we have completed it. Example 10, two methods are there. Okay, finding irrational number between 3 and 4. Okay, we have two methods. The two methods I have explained it. This we have completed. Okay, now I hope you all have understood it. Okay, I'll be giving you assignment. Okay, write the assignment and submit it. Okay, now children, thank you children.